Hello. Today we will make CSS animation. We'll do something called zoom in. So we just need an HTML file like this and basic HTML. I commented this JavaScript. You don't need this. We just need basic. And here we will write zoom in. And we have a CSS file, and this is the CSS file. It's empty. We'll start from scratch. So this is what we have. Let's check what we have in the DOM. So this is what we have. Zoom in. So let's make it a little bit smaller. We'll make the browser. Actually, we don't need this now. So we don't need this. So and let's start. So let's do some styling for the zoom in. So I always like to center the word in the center, so you can do it as you want, but this is how I do it. So I give the HTML and the body. I give him height 100%, and the background color, let's make it black, always black. It's nice. So if we save, we get this, and the text now it's black, so we cannot see it. We'll go to it later, and I will give the body display flex, and now if you go to the HTML, we give the zoom in class text. So let's target the div text, and now let's start with color. Color, let's make it aqua, or maybe violet, blue violet. So as you can see now, still not in the center. So if we do now margin auto, it will be in the center. And I will make my screen small, so you can see it's in perfect center. So I did this by giving the height to the HTML and the body 100%. I give the body display flex and the text margin auto, the div, this one, which we have the class text. So let's do some styling on the text. For example, font size. Font size, let's do the font size something like 60 pixel. It's big enough. And let's make box shadow. I like to use box shadow a lot. Let's give nice styling, and let's put the color the same color, blue violet. So if we save, we get this. So far don't look nice, so let's do some budding. Let's do 10 pixel budding. Let's look a little bit better. Let's add also some border radius. Let's put it 5 pixels. Now it's look a little bit better. We can add some text shadow also. Text shadow in the same way, 0, 0, 5 pixel, and the color blue violet. Save. As you can see, it's give like neon effect. So this is how we start. Let's start making the animation. First things, we need to use the keyframes. So let's make the keyframes. Keyframes, and we give it a name. Let's name it zoom in. We will start from, and I wanted to start in opacity 0, and I will use transform scale 3D, this one, a function, and I will use some values like 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. So far nothing will happen. So now this is, will start with 0 opacity and 50%. I want the opacity to be 1, so it will be full. So now this is how we make it. So this is the code for zoom in, and we need to add the name, the animation name, animation name. We need to put zoom in, so we use it now. So but still not working. Now we need to the animation duration. Animation duration, let's make it 1 second. And let's make animation fill mode. Let's make it both. And now the last one, I think, animation iteration count. Let's make it infinity. And now, as you can see, the animation start working. This is the zoom in Next video we'll check maybe the zoom. Let me check what we will do. We'll make the zoom in down and zoom in left. There is also zoom in right and zoom in up. So see you next video. I hope you like this animation.